What you doing?
Standing. What are you doing? I'm dancing.
Oh boy. What you doing, Daddy?
What you doing, Arlo? Dancing too? You dancing?
Arlo, what you doing, Arlo? Oh, the ball's there.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Hi.
Thank you, good kids. Like if it wasn't for me.
You're welcome.
I'll have a shower.
Oh wow! Well done, poor boy. Catch. Catch, Mummy. Huh? Sa Islang Pantropiko. You want that milk? Okay.
What are you doing?
Just cleaning it.
What?
Because
It's dirty.
it's dirty, yeah. Just be careful, it's hot, okay? Okay.
I don't see stopping, guys.
Are you gonna be with your dada?
Yes, and mommy.
Dada first, and then mommy and dada later. The whole family later. And Arlo, yes.
Mom, I thought in my mommy.
Hmm?
I thought in my mommy's mommy.
Oh, don't cut mommy's money.
Ha.
That is silly.
He-
Okay, what hair do you like today, princess?
Princess.
Princess hair. Okay. Do you want me to use all the flowers?
And princess's head.
There you
Mickey
go.
Mouse. Mickey Mouse one.
Is there a Mickey Mouse one there?
Yeah, two.
Oh,
So the
Arlo boy.
Mickey Mouse one. Two. It's a Mickey Mouse. Mickey. It's Mickey. Minky. Mickey.
We'll just do something
Simple.
simple.
Who is simple?
Hmm?
Who is simple?
You are a simple girl.
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not a simple girl. You're an extra girl.
Why not? No, I'm not.
Oh, what are you?
I
Oh, you're Ayla. You are beautiful, Ayla. Mwah. You don't want to be simple?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're Ayla. Oh, hello, boy.
What's this? The buddies. Cat.
Cat.
Buddies.
Cat and monkey playing together.
The buddies. Cat buddies. They're there.
Mm-hmm.
That's over there. No. 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 No.
Pretty?
Oh.
And this one too, you want?
George. What's buddies?
Julina ka na, baby.
And this one.
Okay. Ikaw ba si Julina?
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Ubusin natin ito lang. Julina, babe. Alright.
What about this one?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, Daddy! What else?
Wow.
I know! Oh, this one too! What are you doing?
That's my money.
Oh, you're gonna use the money to buy? What are you gonna buy? A squishy? Another squishy? Are you serious?
I know what she wants. Don't Daddy, I'll hold on to your money, you'll lose it. Here.
Daddy will hold on to the money.
You
So
can
you
have
don't
it. It's
lose
your
it.
money, I'll hold on to it though.
And you buy it?
Yes.
And you buy it. Where did you get the money, Oi?
From my wallet.
Did she?
She got it from my wallet.
Beef. Let's go, come on.
Alright, go. Huh? Why? Wait,
No.
babe, you have enough.
No, you got
One,
enough.
two, you have a lot on your
Come
head.
on, princess. We'll
Save
go.
it for later. Here, put it here.
Put it here. They're mine. Mine.
And mommy will save it here, okay? Mommy will keep it. So when you come back, it's still here, okay?
Mommy,
Huh?
I have on the bin.
Huh? You want to bring it?
No, I'm not bringing it.
No,
No.
because you might lose it, baby.
Mummy will look after. Mummy put it up in the cupboard.
I'll look
but
after
Ali
it,
can't play with
okay?
it.
I'll look after it. Say bye to Arlo.
Hello, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say goodbye to your brother.
Bye-bye.
Hello, goodbye.
Bye-bye, ate. Say bye to daddy.
Hello, bye-bye.
Give daddy a big kiss and a big hug, Arlo.
He's giving you a look. Do you want that, Ate?
Ate cat.
Oh, Daddy will have it. You want the monkey?
Monkey. Aww.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
Bye, kids. Ay. Bye, kids.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Aww. Bye, daddy. Bye, ate.
You got it back. Say you're happy now.
It's going to fall.
Sing it. I think one of these holes, isn't it?
What? Egg? We don't have egg. We don't have egg. Okay. Nakabalik lang nila. Nothing? Namakyaw na naman guys yung yogurt. And dalawa.
So they go for the 23rd in 2 days' time, so if you don't eat them today, it's going to be frozen.
Minced beef. Baka mag-ano ako sisig tapos hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin ko sa isa. Nagpabili din ako rice. May 2 bags pa din. Hindi nga kasi kami nakapag-shopping kahapon, diba? And then onions. Mga meat. So ham. Okay, asparagus, potatoes, tomatoes. Let's see. Strawberries. More meat. So schnitzel to.
No, steak and wings.
Steak.
Well, they put almost 2 kilos in there, so you can cook as much. Just freeze some of it.
Yeah. Chicken wings at saka steak.
So you gotta get.
And then bumili ng maraming tissue kasi yung mga anak namin may mga sipon. Oh, actually si Arlo na lang. Wala na sila.
I will later. I'm sorting this out.
Sili pasta, Parmesan cheese, deodorant, chili flakes. Why?
Got this?
More earbud. Bumibili kami nung sa sa Daiso. Yung sa Daiso yung maganda. Ang tibay-tibay kaya lang. Wala. Hindi na kami nakakabalik ng Daiso, guys. Ang tagal na ng panahon. Was this on sale? Perfect. Yung aking detergent. And this was on sale too?
Yeah.
And dishwashing pods. Sabi ko sa inyo, maraming tissue eh. Tapos dapat princesses talaga. Kasi ang ating ate. And Mickey Mouse para kay Arlo. Puff pastry. Wraps. Grated cheese. Pork belly. Oh, there's more yogurt na lang.
Okay. I'll go with it.
Yeah. And little meals. Yung mga pasta meals for the kids. Mabigat to. Probiotic drink from Coles.
Okay. Up to you.
May basa, babe. And then, dalawang malalaking milk. Lumabas actually saglit si Daddy kahapon para bumili ng milk kasi naubusan na kami. Maliit lang. So, ngayon, dito yung malalaki. And then, dalawa nitong aking orange na soft drink from Coles. Minsan kasi nagkikrave ako ng soft drinks. Tapos, ayaw kasi namin mag-stock ng mga ganyan. Ngayon na buntis ako, nagkikrave ako ng mga ganito.
Have you got the probiotic stuff or not yet?
Sorry?
The probiotic milk?
Yes, I'm just checking because some are broken.
Are they?
Yeah, like there's two there. The seal is broken. It's okay, I'm checking. I think there's one more. Yeah.
That'll be alright for tomorrow. Just put it at the front.
Why they're broken?
I think something hit it. The shopping hit it. It's okay. Yes.
Why are the shopping in it?
Because maybe you put it on top of the Yakult, you see, Billy?
Not me.
Not you. Who did it?
Daddy.
What? Seriously? You're not being careful?
Nope.
Oh no. Alright, here. There's 3 here, so I can have one. You're welcome. You like this? Okay. And can you give one to Alo, please? Okay. Just wait. Let me just...
That's mine.
Yes.
That one.
Yeah, you can have that. And this one for Alo. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. You take it. You give it to Alo.
Ow, it's falling down.
Give it to Alo. Alo, that's yours. Is Alo helping?
No.
He's not helping, is he? Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. Thank you.
Morning. Morning. And morning. Money. And money. 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 And money.
Are you saying good morning to the guys?
And money.
Look at Ate. Yeah. Come on. Alo, help Ate. Come on. Help Ate. Put the toys. You wanna bring toys today? Alo, what toy do you wanna bring? Which toy do you wanna bring? No, they're not going yet. Daddy just turned on the car. You ready? Magpulang ko dito kasi bigat ng aking tiyan. Okay, let's go. We're going to Harbor Town. Matutuloy na ang Harbor Town today. Here you go. Fit. Let's go.
See Isla?
Oh, it's cute.
You like that, Eiley?
It's not tiffin time.
It's not Christmas time.
It's not.
Why take the divot out?
He's just saying hello.
Why take it out?
He's just friendly.
Why take it out?
Why take it out?
Do you know what? I think that's a brilliant idea.
Yeah.
Why take it out more?
Because
We are almost there. Very exciting. Let's buy some work shirts. Woohoo! What else do you want to look at?
That's it.
That's it. That's it, guys. Wala din akong ganang bumili ng mga damit. Ayokong bumili ng mga damit. Ganito, malaki ang ating tiyan. We're here. Shopping.
Very busy.
Yeah, very busy today. Everyone's here. Everyone in Adelaide is here.
Little girl.
For baby Gail? What else? What else? Dito kami sa Cotton On Kids. Ito yung nahanap ko, sleepwear. Which one for you, Ayla? Ooh, that's nice, Dada.
You like
For
that?
Ayla!
Not the thickest thing, but
Yeah, long sleeve. No, he likes that anyway. For Ayla, she needs the warm stuff because she's got enough of the... Who's that? I don't even know that.
What's that?
I don't know.
What's that?
Oh, there's this one as well, my love, but it's not long sleeve. Captain America.
Captain America?
Yes.
Here's Captain America.
Who's Captain America?
Captain America.
Captain America, how are you? How about this, Danny? What's this? Sonic.
hey, Ala.
Hello. Ayun na siya. Dito talaga siya bumibili. Wala nang ibang brand. You finish, Alo? Do you wanna get out? Okay, get out. Which one, Alo? That's a nice color, Daddy.
Daddy, wait.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, Daddy.
Oh, Daddy.
Silly Daddy. Ah, nice color as well, babe. This is nice too, babe.
This one.
He got it out for you, my love. That looks good, my love.
Yeah, we'll get
Fits you.
Yay.
How many are you buying?
Huh? Just 3.
3.
My new size.
Is it a new size again?
My new size.
No.
Looks good. Wow.
Go. Oh! Catch.
That looks nice, my love.
Oh!
Ayla, what color?
Oh!
What color do you want for Daddy? Is this good? Is this nice?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Cute nilang dalawa. Naglalaro lang sila. Ribbit, Ribbit. Are you a friend?
Catch. Oh, almost. Try it again.
Catch.
Now.
Time to eat. Careful, Ayla. Careful with the sauce.
They does that.
So, dito kami nag-order sa kebab. Masarap kasi yung ano nila, yung chili mayo na sauce. Hindi ako mahilig sa ganito nila dito eh, yung shawarma nila. Pero masarap yung chili mayo na sauce dito ay sa Ispa Kebabs. Ito lang yung gyros or kebab na kinakain ko dito. I got gyros. Do you wanna try? Why not? Alo's eating.
Okay, we're gonna see some planes take off, Arlo. We're gonna see some planes.
Yeah, we're gonna see some planes here. Dito kami sa gilid para makita ng mga bata yung plane. She was waving to Lola kanina. Sabi niya, I'm gonna wave to Lola. Wala, si Lola dyan. Ah, you wanna wave to Lola's plane? Is that what you mean? Alo?
Okay, eat your chips, Arlo. Eat your chips.
Yeah, you wanna wave to Lola's plane. Ay, nakakamiss yung shawarma sa Pilipinas. Ang laki nito, hindi ko kayat ubusin. Wala akong dalang tripod eh. Yeah, Lola's not there. Not yet. Just wait.
Yeah.
Galaw-galaw talaga yung camera, sorry.
Hey, this is open.
Yeah, I'm gonna dip your chips in it.
Right.
Yeah, they're good chips. They're very yummy. Oh, look, here's a plane. Okay, here's a plane. Oh, look at the plane, look at the plane. Here we go. Whoa, look. Look, Ali, look, look, there.
Wow, big one!
Rex.
Did you get beef, babe? Punta tayong coach. May titingnan ako dun. Feeling ko wala dun. But let's look.
I just wanted to hear wild.
It's not raining.
I just wanted to hear wild.
You wanna get that one?
Yes,
We don't need that one though.
I want to.
Alright, come on. Dito kami TK Maxx.
But I did that.
Yeah, strong girl as well. Watch your head.
Watch your head, Alo.
Watch your head. Hey.
Way! Well
Go back and
done!
swing. Go show us a strong boy. Go swing. Go swing. Strong boy.
You did that.
Oh, strong boy. Oh.
Pauwi na kami guys. Nasa kakita sila ng ganito.
Good job.
Palaruin muna natin. Strong boy, Alo! Watch your head, Arlo, ha? Napakong na naman ang bata natin. Oh, watch your head! Oh! Ayla, Nikas!
Come there. Or come like this.
Watch your head, Alo! Watch your head!
It's like a money for center.
Bah! Watch your head! Oh, you did it! On our way home. How was the shopping, my love, with the whole fam bam?
That was great. That's great.
How was your TK Maxx experience today? It wasn't actually good for you. The first time we were really angry. He's an angry man. This one. Ay, nako. Tawa ko ng tawa. Giahak eh. Galit na galit si Dan. Tawa ko ng tawa. Hindi, after na. Nung galit siya, syempre. Relax lang ako dun. So, pagdating namin dun, pumasok kami agad sa TK Maxx. Kasi dun malapit yung pinarkingan namin. Pagpasok namin dun, nagwawala si Arlo. Galit na galit si Dan. Kasi nagwawala si Arlo. Tapos yung pasensya niya kasi, hindi kasing haba ng pasensya ko sa mga bata. Labas kami agad. Wala kami nabili. Meron na sana siyang dala-dala. Babayaran na niya sana. Binalik niya. Sabi niya, bili na lang natin yung kailangan ko. So, uwi na tayo. Tapos naging okay na yung mga bata. Relax. Kinausap ko na okay na yung mga bata. Tapos yung last stop namin is TK Maxx ulit. After na namin makapaglibot-libot ng mabili lahat ng kailangan bilhin. Punta kami TK Maxx. Magbabayad na siya. Oh, did you get t-shirts for you? No? You didn't find any? Tapos mayroon akong tinry na mga dress. Tapos paglabas ko ng fitting room, umiyak si Ayla. Hinahanap niya ako kasi gusto niya sumama pala sa fitting room, umiyak siya. So pipila na si Dan para magbayad. Tapos sabi ko, lakad-lakad ko lang si Ayla kasi yun nga, umiiyak. Gusto niya ako makasama. So kinakausap ko yung anak ko, entertain. Tapos tingin-tingin na din, nawala sa isip ko na wala pala siyang pera. Kasi naiwan niya yung wallet niya dito sa car. So nakapila na si Dan doon. Tapos yung hindi niya ako matawagan kasi yung phone ko na kay Arlo, gamit-gamit ni Arlo. Nakapila siya doon, guys. Siya na sana, kaya lang wala siyang pera kasi nasa akin. So naghihintay lang siya doon sa harap na bumalik ako. Hindi ako nagmamadali kasi nawala sa isip ko na wala nga pala siyang wallet. Tapos meron akong nagustuhan na card, parang cardigan. Tapos sabi ko pa kay Ayla, ay ano, ihabol mo to doon sa daddy mo. Tapos si Ayla, ayaw niya man kasi nga hindi sila bate. So ako, hinabol ko. Kasi every time tinitingnan ko siya, nakapila pa siya dun. Yun pala, nakatayo na siya sa harap. Inihintay niya ako muna bumalik. Pagbalik ko dun, bigay ko yung cardigan. Bigay ko yung cardigan, galit na galit siya. Saan ka ba nagaling? Ba't ang tagal mo? Wala pala siyang pera. Dun ko na-realize, nasa akin pala yung wallet. Nabuang. Tawa ko ng tawa. Sabi ko, kaya pala every time tinitingnan kita. Nandun ka lang, nakatayo ka lang, di ka gumagalaw. Ay, na-realize ko siya, wala na, tapos na lahat. It's hard shopping with the kids, isn't it, Malam?
It is.
But we still do it. Mas madali kung nasa bahay ka lang, pero wala eh. Gusto talaga namin pahirapan yung sarili namin. Gusto talaga namin lumalabas talaga, tumalis talaga. Alright, let's do a haul, guys. Mabilis lang to kasi konti lang to. Tatlong bags to. Kaya lang yung pants ni Dan, iniwan niya sa car kasi papaiklian niya bukas. So, bumili siya ng 2 pants. Not the squishy. There's no squishy.
Yellow one.
Where's the yellow one?
In the car.
Oh, in Daddy's car.
I'll get it.
Go to Daddy. TK Maxx is same as parang TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx sa US. Actually, pang Arlo at saka pang akin lang to, guys. Sa nakwento ko kanina, meron ako nakuha last minute. So, ito din yung kasali sa kwento ko kanina. Ito na sana yung bibilhin ni Dan nung una kaming pumunta ng TK Maxx kanina. Kasi he really likes it for Arlo. Originally, kung bibilhin mo siya sa Levi's, siguro mismo $54. And we got it for $24.99 sa TK Maxx. Ang cute lang kasi may Mario. Yun yung nagustuhan ni Dan. And then we got this one for Arlo. It's Dino. And it is a jacket. Para kapag malamig ang panahon, ito yung pang outer jacket niya. Tapos para din siyang, yung material niya is, yung, ang tawag doon, yung hindi naman waterproof, pero basta, yung ganyang noise. Meron din siya nito. Ang cute-cute niya lang. And this is only $20. So, $19.99. This is the one I got. I'll try it on. Para makita nyo. Wala na explain. Try on agad. Meron actually itong 2 kulay. Yung isa is beige yung print niya, tapos white yung background. Yun yung una kong nakita. Tapos gustong-gusto ko siya kasi ang ganda ng kulay ng buttons. Yung hindi siya like sobrang in your face na gold. Very muted na gold lang siya. Ang cute niya lang. Ayan. Ang cute niya kasi sa suot ko ngayon. Sana cute siya sa ibang susuotin natin. And this is $60. Sobrang komportable niya, hindi siya makati. Saang brand ba ito galing? Kasi yung mga brands sa TK Maxx is yung mga may mga US brands din sila. I'm not familiar with this brand. This is from Halston. I'm not familiar. But maybe meron din yan sa TJ Maxx. And then the last one from TK Maxx. This is for Danny Boy. Mura lang ito, guys. Only $29.99. And ang ganda ng feel ng leather niya. It's from the brand Jeffrey Bean. I'm not familiar with the brand. But ang ganda ng feel niya. Mas maganda kaysa dun sa nabili namin sa Daniel. Saan ba namin nabili yung kanyang pants? Wala kasi kami nakitang pants sa Van Heusen, so nagpunta kami sa Daniel. Nakalimutan ko yung Wala na dito, wala na akong bag. Kasi nandun nga sa car ni Dan. So bumili na kami ng belt doon. Tapos nagpunta kami ng TK Maxx. And then, nagustuhan niya to, mas nagustuhan niya to. So bumalik kami doon para ibalik yun. Kasi yung leather niya, I'm not even sure if that was real leather. Very stiff. So, ito yung pinili ni Dan. And mas mura pa siya. Kasi yun was $54. Ito, $30 lang. Pero yung original price niya is $69.95. US yan, I'm pretty sure. It's reversible as well. Perfect. Oh, that's nice. And ito lang yung mga work shirts ni Dan. Marami namang pagbibilhan ng work shirts siguro. Dito lang talaga siya bumibili kasi gamay na niya yung shop. Alam mo yun, mga lalaki. Kung ano yung nakasanayan dun na. Ayaw na nga niya bumalik dun sa Danyo shop kanina. Kasi hindi siya sanay sa sa placement ng mga bagay-bagay. At saka sa mga sizing. So sabi niya, hindi na ako babalik dito. Naiinis siya. What do you want? Okay. You washed your hands. Okay. Here you go. Ay, meron pa pala. This is from Cotton on Kids. So, naghanap ako ng mga pajamas kasi wala na talagang kailangan si Ayla. Mga pajamas lang, additional pajamas. Yung, yung fleece na material, yung sobrang lamig na talaga ba. Kasi may mga ganito siyang material. Okay na siya sa ganito. Si Arlo, parang hindi na kailangan ng ganito kasi mainitin siya, guys, sa gabi. Kahit na ang lamig-lamig, ginagano niya yung damit niya. So, I don't think I will buy him fleece or flannelette na mga material. Si Ayla, yun yung kailangan niya. Kasi maliit na yung mga sizes niya noon. And this is, kasi diba na-mention ko na he's into superheroes now? Superheroes at saka dinosaur siya ngayon. So, ito nakita namin, ang gustong-gusto siya ni Arlo. And only $10, guys, from $40. This is from Cotton On Outlet ha, kasi doon sa Harbor Town, puro mga outlet doon eh. Ang cute nito, kasya to sa kanya. Usually kasi malaki. Tapos prefer ko din yung ganito kasi mahahaba usually yung mga sizes nila dito. Let's say size 2 ang haba kay Arlo. So maganda to na para ma-hold siya sa taas, hindi siya annoying sa kanya. This is, what size is this? This is his size. What's this? Superman? This is not Superman, man. Kanino? Sino ba to? Superhero! Superhero, Arlo! Iron Man! Iron Man! Iron Man! Rah! Ay, ang ganda po ng tela. Ang ganda ng tela nung sa Cotton On. Kaya wala na sila masyadong options ng sleepwear. Yun yung kailangan natin bilhin sa shops next time. And then ito na yung sa kay Dan. So tatlo lang guys. Iba-iba kulay. Kasi naka 3 for 110 ata to. So yun lang. Ang ating ready. Tanggalin na natin to para Ha?
There's a green sheep. Turn the page quietly and let's take a peep. Oh, let's see where he is. There we go. Here is a green sheep, fast asleep. He's sleeping under the tree.
Yeah.
The end.
No more.
More.
More. More.
More.
What was the book about?
Sheep. The green sheep. We're looking for the green sheep.
Did you find it?
We did.
What is it doing?
Sleeping.
Okay.
Read a story, me?
Aw. I'm folding clothes. Daddy's reading you a story.
You get me another book, I'll read you another book.
Okay. Go get Daddy another
Go
book.
get me another book.
He'll read you another one.
Quick.
Do you really like that one?
Take that one back to the room. Cold in here. And they all jump in together. Louis does a bomb into the pool. This is so much fun. Look, Bingo wants to jump in too. Dad, can I have my floats? She asks. Sorry, Squirt, I don't bring them, says Dad. That's right. Bluey wants to swim all the way to the other end of the pool. But she can't go into the sunny bit. You've got no sunscreen, reminds Dad. Dad is in the shade. Oh, bugger.